Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Today, I truly appreciate every single person watching my videos from the USA and all. Around the world, I put my heart, time, and passion into creating these recipes for you because cooking is something I genuinely love, and I want all of you to enjoy and learn these delicious recipes with me. Today, I'm sharing a super delicious and comforting recipe, boiled egg and potato curry. This recipe is incredibly easy to make, full of flavor, and perfect for busy days when you want something quick, satisfying, and homemade. The best part is it doesn't require complicated ingredients or difficult cooking skills. It's all about the magic of simple spices coming together to create an amazing taste. I explained every single step carefully and clearly so that anyone can follow along without any confusion. Whether you're a beginner or someone who loves home cooking, this recipe will turn out absolutely delicious for you. This is the perfect easy dinner recipe that comes together very quickly in just a few minutes. You can enjoy it for lunch, dinner, or even breakfast. It's warm, comforting, rich in flavor, and something your whole family will love. Once you taste it, you'll definitely want to make it again and again because the flavor is honestly so comforting and satisfying. If you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your love and support encourage me to work even harder and bring you more tasty recipes from my kitchen. Now let's get started and make this delicious boiled egg curry together.
First, remove all the potato peels properly. We've removed all the dirty potato peels. See, now throw away all the dirty peels. That's great. Cut into small cubes. It's done now. Add the potatoes to the bowl. Now wash them well. I took 5 eggs. We'll boil them well. Take 5 tomatoes and chop them. Chop the onions. Add 2 spoons of oil to the pan. Fry the onions. The onions are done, now add the tomatoes. Cook until it turns into gravy. Now add the potatoes. Add 1 packet chicken powder. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Add 1 cup water. Cover it for 30 minutes. This is ready, and really, it is so beautiful, and this spot smell is so good. Now add coriander. And let's add hot spices. We boiled the eggs, took off the shells, and cut them. And now our delicious boiled egg curry is finally ready. Let's dish it out and look at this beautiful, rich gravy, so comforting, spicy, and full of homemade flavor. The aroma is absolutely amazing, and the eggs with potatoes look so soft and flavorful. This is the kind of easy dinner recipe that makes everyone hungry instantly. Serve it hot with roti, naan, or rice and enjoy every bite. Now we're placing the boiled eggs on top. So guys, finally our delicious potato boiled egg curry is ready. It turned out so rich, so flavorful, and so delicious that once you take one bite, you honestly won't be able to stop eating. The spicy gravy, soft potatoes, and perfectly boiled eggs make this recipe incredibly comforting and satisfying. This is truly one of those meals you'll want to enjoy again and again. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos with your friends and family, and make sure to press the bell icon so you never miss any of my new recipes and cooking videos. Also, don't forget to check out my older videos too. Your support on my previous videos helps my channel grow, reach more people, and motivates me to keep bringing you more delicious recipes from my kitchen.